Okay, let's move on to example C. Based on the diagram shown, what's the value of x? So now we have moved on to triangles. Triangles have one simple rule. Doesn't matter how big or how small or what shape the triangle is. The rule is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. I'm going to write that down over here. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 always equals 180 degrees. Okay? If you can remember that, then these are going to be very easy problems. Okay? Any triangle, if you add up all three angles, it's going to equal 180 degrees. That's how you make your equation, and that's how you solve for x. So now I'm going to fill in, I'm going to substitute instead of these angle 1 and 2 and all that, I'm going to put what we have in the triangle. Angle 1 is x plus, and by the way guys, it doesn't matter which one you call angle 1 or angle 2. I've just put different ones. Okay, angle 2. Here's one that people mistakenly forget a lot. That little box right there, you should know by now, that's a right angle, and that means that it is 90 degrees. Since there's nothing written there, since there's no x or number or anything like that, tons and tons of students forget it. They don't write anything there. You have to remember that. Okay, so that's 90 plus angle 3 is 35. And all of that has to equal 180 degrees. So let's solve for x. First thing we need to do is combine like terms. These two numbers right here that don't have any x's or anything, I need to add those together. So x plus 90 plus 35 is 125. And all that equals 180. Now I need to get x by itself, and all I have is this addition I need to get rid of, so I'm going to subtract 125 from both sides. So x equals 180 minus 125 . That gives me 55. Okay, so x equals 55 degrees. So these really aren't that hard. The two things you need to remember, first thing, it always is going to equal 180. If it's a triangle, it equals 180. Second thing you need to remember, that box means 90 and you can't forget it. That little square means this is a right angle, and right angles are 90 degrees. That's something you should have learned a long time ago. Just because you've come to a new grade, new school, doesn't mean you can forget it. You have to remember that. Okay, go ahead and try your turn on your own.